In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Stamp Bokeh in Krita. Open the Brush Presets docker, or press F6 if it's hidden. In the search bar, type Stamp Bokeh and select the brush. Start painting using single clicks or short strokes. Click once to place a single bokeh stamp, or drag your brush to create a series of repeated bokeh effects. To customize the brush, press F5 to open brush settings. Adjust the size to make the bokeh stamps larger or smaller. Change the opacity and flow for stronger or softer effects. You can also adjust the spacing to place the bokeh stamps closer together or farther apart. For more flexibility, paint on a separate layer. This makes it easy to erase, blur, or adjust the bokeh effects later without affecting the rest of your artwork. The Stamp Bokeh brush is designed to stamp soft light shapes and bokeh effects as you paint instead of creating each detail manually. It's a good choice when you're adding glowing backgrounds, light effects, atmosphere, or decorative details to your artwork. And that's how to use the Stamp Bokeh brush in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.